Okay, yan guys. Okay, Jolly TV and Aim Chua Christmas party. Ayan. Magbablog muna ako bago ako mag-DJ. Mamaya busy. Okay. Powered by, ayan, Old Joson po. Okay. Ayan, mamaya ako naman. Ayan guys. Bali, on by Alpha Mini Lights and Sounds. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, Old Joson yan guys. Okay. Ayan po, Uranus, Jupiter Max. The Mount Everest. Ayan, okay sir. Ayan. Big shoutout pala kay Joson Phil na Joson World Electronics. Ayan na sir, isasabak na natin sa event po. First event po ni Alpha Lights and Sounds. Okay. Powered by Joson. Okay sir. Ako naman sir. Hey mamaya, hindi na tayo makablang.
Ayan mga sir, with John Lee TV.
DJ Jones and your DJ sa gabing ito. Okay, ayan, John Lee TV. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Vlog music muna kasi pa-vlog ko muna. Ayan, okay. Thank you so much kay Boss Joson Phil. Ayan, napatunayan na ng Joson na hindi naman tayo papatalo, diba? Okay. Powered by Joson and John Lee TV. Okay. Ayan, guys. Okay. Puro muna natin. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Our third to. Bali, Imchua Construction, no?
Ito, ayan siya.
Ayan, okay. Bali, ito yung gamit natin ngayon, guys. Mag-vlog muna kayo. Fight Airbus 12 and made by Joseph Lina. Ayan. Stage 15 po, 1-2 watts. Ayan, okay. Ayan, siyempre, owned by Sir Alberto Pantoliaga. Ayan. Alpha Mini Lights and Sound. Ayan, guys. Ayan, actually, first event namin to ni Sir. Nag-join kami dalawa. Ayan, guys. All Joson yan, guys. Ayan. Papakita natin, guys. Okay. Ayan, guys. Tama-tama. Atras-atras mo na lang sa yung music natin. Hindi, atras mo lang yung music. Ganun mo lang din. Ibalik mo lang, i-back mo lang para may music tayo. Ayan nga, samantalayan muna natin kasi Jelly TV is yung ano nyo ngayon guys. Bali pinaka ano yun guys, DJ nyo ngayon. Ayan guys, stay watching lang guys. Medyo i-videoin ko lang yung event natin guys. Okay. Ayan guys. Big shoutout pala dyan kay Barin Lilos. Ayan, bali sa kanya yung lights ngayon. Okay. Kasi medyo madali ang i-build lang ito guys. Okay. Ayan guys. Ayan nga, bali, ayan. Wooden na siya guys, wooden na. Okay. Powered by Joson. Okay. Ayan. Made by Joseph Lina subscope. Bali 2x2 ang gamit namin guys. Okay, ayan. Ikot natin guys ha. Ayan, owned by Sir Albert Pantoliaga. Ayan. Ayan oh. Old Joson guys ha, kaya ayan, ayan guys, ikot natin guys kasi ayan guys yun. Ayan na papalista na sila guys. Ayan, bali Christmas party po ng ating ayan. FF, double F, ayan guys. FF Chua Construction po. Ayan. Sir, okay lang. Naka-vlog lang ako, sir. Okay lang po. Janly TV po. Bali kami rin yung powered by Johnson po, sir. Ayan. Then ito yung catering natin. Hello guys. Okay. Bablog ko lang yung ating event ngayon guys. Ha? Okay. Pwede kayong mag-shoutout. Ayan. Powered by Janly TV po. Ayan. Okay. Anong catering natin, sir? Sinong interview natin? Sige, sir. Ako yan. I-promote mo lang ano, sir.
Good evening po, JBC Catering po. Sir.
Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Makati?
Pasay po.
Okay, please don't forget sir, Janly TV din, powered by Johnson. Gonly TV. Kita namin yung mukha. Ayan, okay. Ayan mga food nila oh. Ayan guys oh. Medyo palista lang muna sila guys. Ayan guys, okay. Tapos event ni Janly TV guys, okay. Wala pang ganong tao guys, okay. Pa-subscribe na lang ako sir ha. Ayan guys, may food na ba yan? Pwede nating videoin. Yan. I-mention mo yung ano sir ha. Ito yung mga menu for today guys. By FF Chua Construction. Ayan sir, anong menu natin yan ngayon sir? Lakasan mo sir, lakasan mo.
Beef salpikaw.
Beef salpikaw, okay. Then another, wow, pasta.
Beef with mushroom.
Yes, beef with mushroom. Dalawa yung beef. Chop suey.
Di ba?
Pastel.
Chicken pastel po.
Iyon, tabi ko na. Ayan, pasta. Plus,
Baked bangus.
big,
Baked bangus po.
big bangus. Wow, seafoods. Okay, then.
And baked macaroni.
Ayan. I-mention mo sir, baka may gusto magpa-cater yan. Lakasan mo sir, lakasan mo.
Ito po.
Para abang, samantalahin natin sir, naka-vlog tayo. Ayan guys ha, mainit-init pa guys oh.
So, ayun po yung catering services po namin. So,
Ayan, okay.
kung gusto niyo po mag-order dito, kontakin niyo na lang po ito.
Okay, ayan, okay. Makati sir, no?
Pasay po.
Pasay ako, okay, okay.
Ibay Pasay City po.
Ayan, thank you so much sir, okay. Don't forget to subscribe sir ha. Naubos ka yung sticker ko sir, okay. Thank you so much, God bless. Oh sir, para ma-vlog na natin. Ayan, okay. Powered by Diyos. Magdi-DJ muna siya, okay. Ayan. Thank you so much pala Sir Albert sa pag-invite sa akin. Ako yung natasang mag-vlog din. I'm your DJ this evening. DJ Jones and ano to? Carmona Complex, Makati City. Okay. Ayan. Dali sa mag-ano lang oh. Papalitan na natin yung music mamaya. Dito siguro no? Hindi dito. Dito na lang, okay lang, okay lang. Okay lang sir. Okay na, okay na. Para makita yung ano.
Okay na yan.
Okay, sir.
Tumpak sir,
Okay.
tumpak.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching. First event namin ng Alpha Mini Lights and Sound. Ayan, ang inyong DJ Jones. Okay. And Mona Conflicts. Ayan. And once again, thank you so much for watching and God bless us all. Ayan.